Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard maths state board chapter 7 exercise 7.7. Find intervals of concavity and point of inflection for the following function. Concavity, we have to find out the values concave upward or concave downward. How we will find out that value? First we will do f dash of x. See, the function is given f of x equal to x into x minus 4 the whole cube. Should find out f dash of x. F dash of x equal to, it is in a product form, two x terms are there, so it is in a product form, so you can use it as a product rule, u v formula, u v dash plus v u dash, u into v dash n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1 plus v into plus v into plus v into u dash. U dash differentiation of x become 1. Is it clear? See, u into differentiation of v is n into x power n minus 1. Then differentiation of x minus 1 is what? 1 minus 0. The value is 1 plus v into u dash. U dash value is 1. So it gives 3x into x minus 4 the whole square plus x minus 4 the whole cube. X minus 4 the whole square plus x minus 4 the whole cube. See, x minus 4 is the whole square is common, you can take it out. X minus 4 the whole square is common, you can take it out. What is the remaining value left out here? 3x plus x minus 4. 3x plus x minus 4. So what is the value? X minus 4 the whole square into x minus 4 the whole square into 3x plus x minus 4. 3x plus x minus 4. So f dash of x equal to x minus 4 the whole square into x minus 4 the whole square into 4x minus 4. 4x minus 4. See, 4 is common, you can take it out. 4 into x minus 4 the whole square. 4 into x minus 4 the whole square into x minus 1 into x minus 1. See here, f dash of x. F dash of x equal to 4 into a minus b the whole square formula. You can apply a minus b the whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square into x minus 1 into x minus 1. So it gives 4 into, you can multiply, it is easy to, because you have to apply again uv formula for f double dash of x, or otherwise you can simplify and can get the value and do with the f double dash of x. See, x square into x become x cube minus x square. X square into x cube minus x square minus 8x square minus 8x square plus 8x minus 8x square, minus into minus become plus 8x plus 16x minus 16 plus 16x minus 16. So 4 into x cube, 4 into x cube minus 9x square minus 9x square minus x square minus 9x square minus 9x square plus 24x, 16 plus 8, 24x plus 24x minus 16 plus 24x minus 16. So f dash of x equal to 4 into x cube minus 9x square plus 24x minus 16. Then we have to find out the concavity. So you have to find out f double dash of x. F double dash of x equal to 4 into differentiation of x cube is what? 3x square minus 18x, because 9 2s are 18, minus 19x plus 24, it is constant, so 0. See, 3 is common, you can take it out. So 4 3s are 12. 12 into x square minus 6x plus 8. X square minus 6x plus 8. See, for maxima, minima and all, f dash of x equal to 0, then you should find out the critical point. But for the concavity, you have to find out f double dash of x equal to 0, then you can get the values of x. See children, for maxima minima, you can keep it as f dash of x equal to, can put f dash of x equal to 0 and get the values of what? Critical point. But in the concavity, you can take f double dash of x equal to 0 and you can find out the value of x. So f double dash of x equal to 0. Can take it as f double dash of x equal to 0. See, f double dash of x equal to 0. So 12 into x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. You bring the 12 to the right hand side, it becomes 0. What is the remaining value here? X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Factorize that equation. Sum equal to minus 6, product equal to 8. Sum equal to minus 6, product equal to 8. 8. 4 2s are 8. Minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4, minus 2. So, x minus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So, x can takes the value x equal to 4 comma 2. So, we have to draw the line. See, minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. 2, 4, you can take the intervals minus infinity to 2 and 2 to 4 and 4 to 8. Minus infinity to 2 and 2 to 4, minus infinity to 2, you can take the value 0 also, and 2 to 4. So, you can put a dot. So, this value only we can take it and substitute in f double dash of x, and 2 to 4 also you can take the value 3. So, you put a dot, and same way you can take a 5 and put a dot, because these are the values we are substituted in. We are going to substitute in f double dash of x. See here, you can draw the tabular column. Intervals, what are the value we are going to take? You can write value, then f double dash of x. What is f double dash of x equal to? 12 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. You can split that value, because we factorized, no, that value alone you can take it as 12 into x minus 4 into x minus 2, then sine of f double dash of x, then concavity, either concave upward or concave downward. See, concave upward is the another name for concave upward is convex downward. Concave downward is convex upward. Either you can use concave or you can use convex. If suppose they are asking about convex means, you will use it as, if it is negative sign means, you can use it as convex upward. Positive means convex downward. Here concavity means, if it is positive means concave upward, and negative means concave downward. So, intervals. What are the intervals we are going to take? minus infinity to minus infinity, you can put a open bracket, minus infinity to 2. Both the bracket you can take it as a open bracket because we are taking only the center value. What are the values we are going to take? 0, 0, then 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, the value is 3, then 4 to infinity, 4 to infinity, the value is 5, the value is 5. So, you substitute the 0 here. What is the f double dash of 0 equal to 12 into 0 minus 4 into 0 minus 2. 0 minus 4 into 0 minus 2, 12 into 8 minus 2 into minus 4, 8. So, the value is 96. Sign alone you will write whether it is positive or negative. Positive means concave upward. Positive means concave upward. Concave upward. 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is what? 3. F double dash of 3 equal to, f double dash of 3 equal to 12 into 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 2. 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 2. 12 into minus 1 into 1. So, the value is minus 12. So, the value is minus 12. So, negative. Here positive. Here the value is negative. So, concave downward. Concave downward. Negative, concave downward. Now, you can take it as 4 comma infinity. What is the value we are going to take? 5. So, f double dash of 5 equal to, f double dash of 5 equal to 12 into 5 minus 4 into 5 minus 2. 5 minus 4 into 5 minus 2, 12 into 1 into 3. So, the value is 36. The value is 36. So, it is positive, concave upward, positive, concave upward. You observe this tabular column. See the tabular column, the concave upward on minus infinity comma 2 and 4 comma infinity, and concave downward is 2 comma 4. So, f double dash of x changes its sign. F double dash of x changes its sign in this interval. See 2 comma 4, f double dash of x changes its sign in 2 comma 4. Changes its sign is 2 comma 4. See here, the curve is concave upward. We already seen the tabular column. See, the curve is, we already discussed. The curve is concave upward on minus infinity comma 2 and 4 comma infinity. The curve is concave downward on 2 comma 4. Then f double dash of x changes its sign when it passes through 2 comma 4. When it passes through, the curve is changes its sign when it passes through 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. The curve is changes its sign when it passes through what? 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. The curve is. So, now we are going to find out the point of inflection. See, at x equal to 2, f of 2 equal to, you can substitute in f of x to get the point of inflection. F of 2 equal to 2 into 2 minus 4 the whole cube. It gives 2 into minus 2 the whole cube, 2 into minus 8. So, the value is minus 16. And x equal to 4. At x equal to 4. At x equal to 4, f of x equal to 4 into f of x equal to 4 into 4x minus f of 4 equal to 4 into 4 minus 4, 4 into 0, so the value is 0. So the point of inflection, the point of inflection, the point of inflection is, the point of inflections are, what are the point of inflections? See, 2 comma minus 16 and 2 comma minus 16 and 4 comma 0. The point of inflections are 2 comma minus 16 and 4 comma 0. See, the point of inflections are 2 comma minus 16 and 4 comma 0. I hope you understood this concavity, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.